How's it going there, YouTube? Well, it's finally getting quieted down enough. I'm starting to lose some data up here, but I need to get a video up for you guys. I'm sure most of you guys have seen on Instagram and on Facebook that there's a new acquisition there besides the Cockshot 40. There, about a week or so ago. Well, the old Lawn Boy push mower broke the connecting rod there at the end of the last cut last fall, so that was the end of that mower. I had that mower for 17 years. Just I think it's a 6-horse Briggs & Stratton on it. But like all things in life, they all come to an end at some point, and I mean, it did have a pretty good rod knock for the last 4 or 5 years, so well, I knew I was looking for a new mower eventually. I was looking to get a garden tractor, which I think I mentioned in the video the last couple of years or so. I was looking to upgrade to that here eventually, and well, we finally got it done. So without further ado, this is what we picked up. Yeah, we did. She's a brandy spanking new John Deere S100, 17.5 horse Briggs & Stratton Intec. She's got a 42-inch deck on it. I do want to get the mulch kit for it though, but it's like I've seen it on Lowe's. It's like 80 bucks for a little chunk of plastic with 2 straps on it. If it was an older mower, I didn't really care so much about it. I'd just take a chunk of steel and weld it on there and be done with it, but not to the new mower. So anyway, I've used it a little bit and I quite like it a lot. I mean, it saves a lot of walking and mows really quickly and really nice. Of course, it's brand spanking new, so as you figure it should. Of course, everything works on it. You got headlights in it. I may actually upgrade those to LED headlights just because it's cool. I'll probably never mow in the dark, but I mean, thinking about it anyway. Yeah, it's a pretty sweet machine. Of course, it's hard start. It's actually the first tractor I've ever owned with a warranty on it. So we're gonna try to make this video quick because it's getting dark out here. I guess I'll do kind of a quick little review. Of course, like most John Deere mowers, you put your fuel in the back, and the seat flips up, of course. That's the fuel tank. I had half a tank in it before. 20 bucks, give it about half a tank at current prices right now. I guess as far as the review goes, like I said, it's brand spanking new. I would start it up for you, but I already had it out tonight, and I mowed a little bit, and I should have got some more. But maybe I'll get some clips off the security camera and put them in there for you guys. Pretty friggin' sweet. And of course, this is how you turn your mower deck on and off. Throttle, of course. Park and brake. Now, the one thing I was unsure of is this button here. So this one has mow in reverse. So if you want to have your blades running in reverse, you have to hold down this safety override. It's like an RIO switch, reverse something operation switch. I forget what it is now, but it was a little bit confusing at the start. But I mean, it's an extra safety feature for these new mowers, and of course not everybody is as safe with equipment as some people that's run tractors their whole life. Of course, well, you guys know me well enough here on the YouTube. Yeah, so it's a pretty slick little machine. I quite like it. Don't really have any complaints about it. I mean, I guess other than that, I mean, that might get a little funky in a couple of years once it's been out for a little bit. We've only got, if I can get it on there, 0.7 hours on it. So it's still brandy spanking new. I've used it to cut some leaves, and I used it to mow twice already. Was quite surprised to see it has a washout point on the deck, which is why they also recommend getting the mulch kit. Then you put this chute comes off, then you put the mulch kit on. Then of course you wash your deck all out. It'll take everything off. So she's a pretty sweet little rig. I'm quite happy with it, and hopefully it will last the test of time. Hopefully it lasts for a good long time. We don't have any major issues with it. So anyway, if you guys like this little video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.